Good morning, Ageless warriors. Every morning when you get up, what's the first thing that you do? Hopefully the answer is not coffee. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love coffee. I love that warm mug in the morning, and sometimes in summer I like an iced coffee. But if you wake up first thing in the morning, all your wake up hormones that are naturally there, like cortisol, need a chance to work their magic, because if we do the coffee within the first hour when we wake up, guess what happens? The cortisol stops happening because the body's so smart. The body's like, well, I guess I don't need to release all these wake up hormones that are natural because we get a stimulant first thing in the morning. So if you're gonna do coffee, drink 16 ounces of water. If that scares you, do 8 ounces, but do water first thing in the morning because you wake up dehydrated. Water first thing in the morning for the first hour, and let your body wake up. An extra tip, go outside and be in the sun without sunglasses. Don't look at the sun, don't do that. But be out in the sunlight so that it's going into your eyeballs, because that also sets up the beginning of melatonin production that's gonna do really magic things for you at nighttime. So those are just 2 morning tips. You have to follow those and you're gonna do so much better with your sleep cycles. But let's get back to coffee, because coffee is really important. This is what I've done. I've upgraded my coffee. So I make a brewed coffee. I make it light. I don't make it too heavy. Yes, I brew coffee. But when I've always wanted to be a French press person because I just thought that was so, international. But I've never been a French press person because my coffee always gets really cold. So anyway, I brewed just a little bit of coffee. I already put in here some nut milk. I like using full coconut milk, coconut cream with no other ingredients but coconut. If it has stabilizers and a bunch of junk in it, it's not good for you. So try to find a brand that just has coconut cream. That's it, nothing else. Now some goodies that I add to this, because right now I've just got my caffeine and my coconut cream, right? Because I like creamy, I just do. So, but I've started testing some of these nootropic coffees. Now what is nootropic coffee? It's coffee that helps your brain. So it has things in it that like L-theanine that help your focus and just give you an extra little brain boost. And that's fun. Now this comes in an instant coffee flavor. So, and I know it has a little bit of espresso in there, a little bit of caffeine. So that's why I make my brewed coffee light. And then I add this because I like it in the nootropics, because gotta keep the brain really sharp. I also put in this nucleotide mixture. Now this is called triple chocolate coffee because I use 3 different things. So, or I guess this isn't chocolate, this is coffee flavor. But this is nucleotides, it's a cocoa flavor, and this is good for my DNA, RNA, good for my microbiome. Hey, it's all about gut health, you guys. You gotta keep your gut healthy. You got 24 feet of guts inside of you. And it really determines your happiness level, because all your serotonin, your happy juice, is made in your gut. If you want to be happy, you gotta keep your gut happy. And then I put in some chocolate collagen. That keeps my skin looking fresh and all my connective tissue nice and strong. And then don't forget to put your top on. Oh, I do add one more thing. I add cinnamon. Cinnamon actually is an anti-inflammatory. Also helps with metabolism. So I put that in as well. You can put a little vanilla in too if you like that flavor. But that's mostly what I do. Sometimes I put MCT oil in it because really good oils are so good for the brain. This morning I'm not going to put MCT oil, but if you are looking for MCT oil, you can just buy it. Make sure it's organic MCT oil. I got this at Costco. I'm not going to put that in this morning. And then I just blend it up. Oh, I did put it in. That would help. And then have your favorite cup ready. I use an insulated one so my coffee stays warm for the first hour and I don't have to worry about it getting cold. Who likes cold coffee? Well, sometimes cold coffee is good, right? With ice cubes? Okay. And that's my cup of joe. Every morning. Can you tell I do this a lot? All the way to the top. I hope you enjoyed that. If there's anything here that you want to know more about, I'll have it down in the bio, and you can You can check that out to see if you want to make your own cocoa coffee that actually is good for your gut, good for your brain, so that when you have your coffee, you're not just getting that stimulant, but you're actually getting a lot of other goodies. All right, you guys be ageless. Have a great day.